Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the shapes on your Canva docs on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the shape on your Canva docs on your computer, I'm just going to show this video. To insert the shape on your Canva docs, first of all, you have to use this element option on the side. So here you can find options called graphics, stores, a lot of the more thing here. So you can directly use like if I just need a square, you can just search as square. You can find all the square shapes here, like a rectangular shape. If you just need a rectangular shape, you can find a rectangular shapes here. So what are the shapes you just needed? You can just easily pick from here. So just go with the shape. So here you can find different type of shapes here. So if I just need a circle, so I just going to type a circle here, and you can find a circle. You can just resize the circle like this, and you can just place wherever you just need it. So it's the normal circle here. So you can just change the color of the circle like this, and you can just easily place wherever you just need it. This is how you just insert the shapes on your Canva docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.